Hiiyas ng Laoang Northern Samar!
That's right, congratulations to them, Skydome. Those cheers you gave us are only about to get louder and louder as we meet our 20 semifinalists.
Laoang Northern Samar.
Hiiyas ng Laoang Northern Samar. Josella Bay Lagrimas. She's a senior high school graduate who is timid, but ironically, she loves hosting. She used to hate her skin color, but pageantry gave her a platform to appreciate her beauty and skin color. Hiiyas ng Laoang Northern Samar.
From our top 20, only 10 will make it to the next round.
Skydome, who do you think will make it to the next cut? You made it Hiiyas ng Laoang Northern of Samar.
Hiiyas ng Laoang Northern Samar. Josella Bay Lagrimas. Designer Leo Albudan.
Ladies and gents, it is time to meet our top 5 finalists. Ladies, as we call your number and your place of presentation, please step forward into the limelight and into our top 5. Beginning with Hiiyas ng Laoang Northern Samar!
This is your question. Aside from sisterhood, what is one important lesson you have learned from your journey in Hiiyas ng Pilipinas 2024? Please elaborate your answer. Your question again is, aside from sisterhood, what is one important lesson you have learned from your journey in Hiiyas ng Pilipinas 2024? Please elaborate.
The best lesson I have learned in my whole entire Hiiyas ng Pilipinas 2024 journey is that we all have the capacity to grow. Each day, we have to remind ourselves to do better every day, to always strive to do and be at your best in order for us to grow in any environment we put ourselves into. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Hiiyas ng Laoang Northern Samar. In our Hiiyas ng Pilipinas sport, the runner-up is Hiiyas ng Laoang Northern Samar.
Your Hiiyas ng Pilipinas sport runner-up. Hiiyas ng Laoang Northern Samar will receive 250,000 pesos worth of prizes, including 150,000 worth of services from Sweatwise Aesthetics, 30,000 pesos worth of food and beauty services from Adele Mayenju, owner of the Mayen Beauty Lodge and Kaya Cebu, and 20,000 pesos worth of products and services from Don Baquiatos, Don Lemon Fularies, and 50,000 pesos in cash.